I found that what made me truly profitable was my external habits outside of trading, because external discipline isn't really talked about enough when it comes to day trading, and nobody really talks about how it can make you profitable. Everyone thinks about, okay, I need this strategy, I need that, but the truth is that trading, you could look this up, it's 90% psychological. So there's no need to constantly worry about, okay, maybe my strategy isn't perfect right now. When half the time you're losing trades because you're revenge trading or over trading. And that's why, like, in my opinion, if you were to get a monk to start trading, a monk, like someone who genuinely just meditates and does jack shit, whatever he's doing all day, but has the discipline to do so, he'd probably get trading down within like under a month. But for us normal people, it would take us a lot longer because we don't have any discipline, or we haven't built any discipline because we grew up using phones, we grew up doing this and that. It's something that helped me a lot was just getting my life straight, getting off my phone, building good habits, and just doing stuff. And something that helped me a lot was going to the gym. And how did going to the gym like really help? Well, I started trading like 3 years ago, and I loved basketball. I wanted to make the team. So before that year, my first year to playing basketball, during the summer, I was on like a summer league, right? And every single day, I would wake up at 6 a.m., go to the gym, trade, and then I would have practice. And then I'll get back home and back test, and then I'll go to sleep early. And just having that strict type of schedule, and obviously I would read and pray and all that, but having that strict type of schedule helped me because, first of all, my mind wasn't all about trading. Because if you have a shitty lifestyle where you're just doing stupid stuff, like going out every day, but then you come in and then you're like, okay, you know what? I'm a day trade today. Yeah, I'm a day trader, so I'm gonna just keep doing this, right? But then your life is genuinely shitty, and the only good part of your life is when you day trade, dude, you're not gonna become profitable. Or you might, but it'll take you a lot longer. But if you bring in someone who genuinely has his shit like straight, where he's doing stuff every single day, and he's not, the only thing he has going for him is day trading, you're gonna see he goes a lot farther in life. Because stressing about just day trading is gonna genuinely ruin you. When you should start thinking about it like this, you should when you're not day trading and back testing, then you wanna be like, okay, stressed about it. But then when you're actually in the markets, you wanna stress about it a lot less, and just be in the moment, like be like, okay, I have other stuff, you know, I'm not worried. And that's why like just having trading the only thing that you're going for in your life is gonna mentally ruin you. When in general you want to build better stuff, like go to the gym every day, do this and that, so that way you can be like, okay, I lost my trade today, but I have better stuff going for me, where I'm not gonna start crying because one trade killed my entire mood. So generally you want to have good habits, because external, internal, everything you do outside of the market affects inside of the market. Because the market, what is it? Any business in general, other than day trading, is a mere reflection of you. No matter what business you do, if you want to start making money, any business you do, trading or whatever you do, it's a mere reflection of you. If you are a successful type of person, all your habits are going to lead you towards success, then your business is going to be successful. But if you are the type of person who cannot do anything straight, then what makes you think that you can become successful in this? If you cannot do your homework in school, right? Say you're in college or you're in high school and you can't even do your homework, how do you think you are going to become a successful day trader? Or how do you think you're going to be successful when it comes to starting a business? Like all these things align, because you're out here telling me you're an entrepreneur, but you can't do your homework. You're on TikTok all day, and now you're a risk taker. Dude, the only risk that you're taking is genuinely fucking up your life by watching that much TikTok and everything else that you're coping with. So start getting your shit straight and genuinely treat the market or treat your life like it's going to make you successful. You know, like build good habits, go to the gym daily, do this and that. And then when you're day trading, it's going to be a lot more calming. It's not going to be stressful, and you're going to be a lot more focused. It's going to be a lot better, instead of just like, okay, you know, I've done jack shit. I didn't even wake up and do my bed today, but I'm going to go day trade, you know? And then watch, it's just going to mentally fuck you up, because now you're going to start over trading. You're going to start having FOMO. You're going to start doing this and that. Oh, I'm not going to pray today, but you know what? I'm a successful day trader, you know? Like I'm going to go day trade. Like, how do you think if you did not pray today without God's help that you are going to win your trade? Like, for me personally, the best times that I found myself trading is when I prayed in the morning. I found myself a lot calmer, because if the first thing I'm doing in the morning is day trading, I'm gonna find myself fucking myself up. But if I did something earlier, like if I woke up at 5 a.m. to pray and read and do this, when it comes time to day trade, my mind is a lot more calmer and knows what it's gonna do. But if the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wake up, scroll on TikTok, okay, it's been 30 minutes, you know what, it's time to day trade. And guess what? It's just a mental fuck up. You're gonna end up over trading. You're gonna end up being greedy. You're gonna end up entering trades on impulse. You're gonna start just doing a whole bunch of stupid shit that you just don't want yourself doing. So again, at the end of the day, trading is a mirror reflection of you. So everything that you do in your life, if you want to become successful in day trading, treat it like it's gonna make you $1 million. Like, wake up in the morning, do your bed, do this and that. And there. Like, for me personally, going to the gym and playing basketball and running all the time and doing all this cardio back then helped me so much, because it generally mentally calmed me. Like, I would lose so much to the point where I came and I was like, you know what, I lost today, I have this shit going for me. And then I'll get back home, back test, next day, lost again. But then I was like, okay, and then I figured out my technical mistakes, my impulse mistakes, why I was revenge trading half the time, why I was entering stupid trades. And then all of a sudden, everything started aligning and I was actually winning trades, you know? And I feel like if it wasn't for me going to the gym and me having basketball practice and me doing this and that, I would not have become a successful day trader at all. I feel like I would have just kept entering trades impulsively, kept revenge trading, and just overall entering bad setups that weren't even fully my strategy. So yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. Join the Discord. I'm posting a lot more lectures on there. I'm gonna be hopping on daily calls and just doing a lot more things in general to help you all become successful in day trading, because again, having a mentor in day trading is one of the best things that you could do. So if you guys don't have one, I could be that guy. But that's besides the point. You guys just remember external, internal. Your external habits, your external discipline in check, and then your internal in the market is going to be a lot better. All right. I'll catch y'all, boys. Take care.